What if I told you that a prospective buyer zeroed in on his car or bike without even interacting with your dealership even once? With the pandemic, digital consumption is at an all-time high and footfalls into retail outlets is at an all-time low. Over the last 3 years, footfalls into dealerships have shrunk by over 50%, and the window to influence the customer's decision at a dealership is getting smaller and smaller. If you're new to my channel, my name is Vishesh and I've been a premium motorcycle dealer for the last 8 years. In the last 8 years, I've sold hundreds of motorcycles using the digital medium, and last year alone, over 33% of our retail sales came from digital leads. Here are some digital trends that your dealership cannot afford to ignore in 2021. Studies have shown that less than 50% of prospective buyers actually trust that your dealership staff can provide all the information that they need. A whopping 90% of all prospective buyers conduct their research online before buying a car, and they prefer third-party sites over your dealership staff. 2 in every 3 prospective car buyers use search engines to locate dealerships. In the recent past, there has been a 400% growth in queries like dealerships near me. When a prospective buyer makes this search on search engines like Google, they are presented the information in a snack pack. The snack pack displays the top 3 rated dealerships around them. If your dealership is not listed on the snack pack, chances are that you're losing huge number of inquiries and tele-ins. Getting listed on the snack pack is extremely critical for your dealership and can help increase footfalls and tele-ins. According to Google, approximately 32% of all prospective buyers look up Google reviews before setting foot into a dealership. Sadly, most customers leave a review only when they're unhappy with the business. If these reviews go unchecked, you could be turning away a lot of prospects from your dealership. Reviews are playing a critical role in helping prospects trust a dealership. Studies have shown that over 85% trust an online review as much as a personal recommendation, and over 70% say that a positive review makes them trust a dealership more. Reviews are now playing an important role in SEO and helps your dealership rank higher on search engines like Google, which in turn results in higher number of inquiries and footfalls into your dealership. It is important for dealerships to take reviews seriously and build a culture of generating and documenting positive reviews on sites like Google. Use review management tools to increase the number of reviews that your dealership generates and also improve the customer experience overall. Over 80% of prospective car buyers watch videos before making a purchase decision. YouTube has become one of the most important places for a car buyer to gather all his information before making a purchase decision. Prospective buyers are watching product reviews, unboxing videos, long-term ownership reviews, and vlogs to make decisions before even they set foot into your dealership. What astonishes me is that most dealerships don't have an active YouTube presence. If you want to generate more inquiries and influence a customer's purchase decision, being on YouTube is absolutely critical, and video is the name of the game. Therefore, if you want to get started with video, all you need is a mobile phone, a microphone, and a few lights. I would recommend that dealerships make short YouTube videos like a 10-point walk around the car or the motorcycle, document some of the customer testimonials, live stream any events that are happening inside the dealership, and also a video test ride. A video test ride is a live test ride that is being documented along with an explanation of all the features of the product. Yes, video test drives are a new digital trend of 2021. Personally, my team and I have live streamed over 100 digital events over the last few years. Customers at the comfort of their home are able to connect with the dealership, view the product, and also engage with the larger community. This also turns some of your dealership staff into micro-influencers, we have had many instances when consumers have come into our dealership, asked for a specific sales consultant because they have interacted with them in one of the digital live streams. Over 50% of all prospective buyers visit a dealer website. However, most dealer websites are not up to the mark. When I personally visited many of the dealers' websites, I found many of the websites to be incomplete and do not provide adequate information to make a purchase decision. Dealer websites are not designed to convert visitors into leads. The dealer websites only showcase the product and also talks about the OEM or the manufacturer. Almost no dealer website today talks about their strengths and why their dealership is better than their competitors. I would also recommend that you move away from a templatized dealer website, move towards landing pages and offer a lead magnet so that you convert your visitors into leads. The financial uncertainty due to the pandemic is delaying many of the consumers' purchase decisions, and research has shown that there is a 40% increase in enquiries for used cars and used automobile loans. The consumer's mindset today is all about conserving cash. They are looking at value for money and looking at good deals. So if you're not catering to the used car or used motorcycle business, this is a good opportunity to jump on the bandwagon. Leverage the power of live streaming, Facebook groups and online marketplaces to generate inquiries for your used business. According to research, consumers today expect the dealership to be brought to them. That over a third of customers would purchase a car sooner if they had the option to buy it online. More and more consumers today are becoming hybrid in nature, which means they make all the purchase decisions online and only visit the dealership to take a test ride, validate their thought and take delivery of the product. To stand out of the competition, a dealer must map out the consumer's journey and provide as many digital touch points as possible to the consumer and take the entire dealership experience to the consumer at the comfort of their homes. If you are enjoying these videos, hit the subscribe button below and let's keep in touch.